Time to play with vehicles! It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. Cracks and dents, we have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Excellent. That's it. Use a hammer to level out the dents. You're so smart. That's great. The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Super! Perfect! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Great job! There's something wrong with the wires. Super! Wonderful! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's great! Plug the wire into the right place. Star. Heart. Square. Circle. Triangle. You fixed it! All done! Now help to assemble Bucket Wheel Excavator. That was... Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Congratulations! Great job! Here is your prize for your great... Wow! What an amazing stick sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected!